Okay, simple cut for the avocado. In half. Once you've hit the stone, follow it all the way through and then out. Little twist, open. Then to remove the stone, heel of the knife, this area underneath, a nice tap, twist and out, and then into quarters. And using your paring knife, removing the skin, like so. There we are. And then we're looking for a nice uniformed dice with this. So again, flat side down, in and through, turn it around, nice. Dice through, again, flat side down, in, through, and down, remembering your pinch grip, and remembering to slice rather than just push the knife through.